guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tati here, and I'm back at it again with another video for you. Today, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be trying to transform an old wig. So this is the wig that I have, and she served me well. I wore her last year? I think it was last year for my birthday. So she did her job. I don't really take care of my wigs, so once I take them off, I just put them in like a hair bag that I have in my closet, and that's the last of it. But now I'm like, she wasn't bad, and I like her color, so I'm gonna try and transform her. I want to cut her, get her some bangs. So I'm gonna try and see how I can make it. So let's jump into that right now. Okay, so I don't have one of those heads. I don't have a wig head stand, whatever. So I'm gonna just put it on my head and cut it how I want it, what length I want it. So I cut a wig that I had, an old wig that I had. I cut it into a bob, like a long bob. So I want this one to be like kind of short. I'm thinking like right here. But before I do that, I'm gonna try and just get rid of the part, because as I said, I want it to have like a bob. So just to maybe like take it off. Let me see. You guys, don't judge me. I'm not good at stuff like this. I've never, like, you know, been into repurposing wigs before. I've done a wig where I've cut it, but it's always just to cut it into whatever style it's already been in, never to change the part or anything of the wig. So this is completely new to me. So bear with me. So I'm just combing out the front to get rid of that part, so I can make the bob. And you guys are probably like, why is she combing it like that? I don't care. Okay. So let me put it on and see. This would have been so much easier with a wig head stand, but we gotta use what we got. Okay, so I don't want the bangs to be super thick. Can you guys tell me if I'm doing this right? No? Okay, never mind. But, part's still there. Alright, I know what I'm gonna do to like really get rid of the part. I think I'm just gonna, ooh, let me get my scissors. I forgot the main part of the thing. So, let me come back. Okay, so I got the scissors. Let me put the wig back on. Let me see something real quick first before I do that. think I can still work it with and see where I want the... Let me brush the hair out first. So I want to cut the bangs first just to see. So I'm thinking of cutting it. Let me see. Probably, let me cut it long first, and then all right. So yeah, that's good. That's good. Let me cut it a little bit shorter. Yeah, this is too long. You see that? That's like in my eye. Okay. Just oh, did I cut it too short? I don't know. I'm just looking off to the side of my mirror. Okay. So I'm gonna fix the cut because it's like all over the place. But okay, and it doesn't look get my mirror so I can stop looking off to the side. Oh. Okay, so that I'm gonna leave it like this for now, just to move on to how short I want the rest of the hair to be. And then I'll get back to the bangs, because I don't like how they look right now. Okay, so I'm thinking like right here. Like I want it really short, but just to, you know, give myself some room to improve, like to adjust it just in case, I'm gonna cut it a little long. I'm gonna cut it, let's say, right there. How we looking? How we looking? Oh, she already curled. She's gonna be a curly bob, I guess. All right, let me do the other side. Okay. Guys, don't worry about the bumped end. She's not gonna be bumped. I'm gonna curl her differently. I just wanna see how she's going. This is a good length. I think this is a good length. I like this length. Okay, so let me get the back. Oop, it's kind of tangled. This is going better than I thought. So the reason why I was even moving around so much in the beginning is because I'm filming on my camera and on my phone, so it's kind of an experience. Okay, just to be safe with the back, because I can't really, I don't want to do such a big piece and then mess up. So I'm gonna start like really short, because it can't really long, I mean, because I can't really tell. How we looking? How we looking? We looking good so far? I think so. Okay, so this one piece right here. Do I have any more long pieces? Nope. We like it. We like it so far. I like it. Okay, so let me just see about the strays. Ooh, I like her. So I'm gonna turn on my my hot comb and flat iron and just see if I can style it to where I want it. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have gotten rid of the excess hair, and I have my hot comb where I'm just gonna just try to successfully get rid of the part just to let you guys know, I put this on 5. I don't have it really hot because I don't remember what kind of hair this is, and I don't want I don't want it to burn. You guys didn't see on my, I'm gonna have to use most of the footage from my phone because I didn't realize that you guys could barely see my hair from my camera. But this is what the hair is looking like. This is the back. I don't know what the back looks like, so don't come for me. Do not come for her. But she is giving, she's bobbed. She's Bobby. I'm going to call her Bobby because she's, you know, Bob. Yeah, I like it. I really do like it. Like, it might seem kind of old-fashioned. But I don't know, I just like the curls and how it frames my face. So yeah, when my makeup is done and like I got some earrings in, well, you can't go be sitting in my earrings, but you know, and I just do me a little headband style or scarf, and it's over for you. But yeah, this is what she's looking like, and if I were to catch her, let me see how it would look, because you know, sis gotta go places, and I don't like hair on my face the whole time. But yeah, she could still be put in a little pony at the back. It won't be cute pony, but it'll be a pony, because you know. But like, I don't know if I'm gonna straighten it, honestly. I like how full of body and big it is with the curls that it has naturally. I didn't even really think of how it would cut with the curls, so I'm glad it came out this pretty. I like it, and it's big and it's curly and it's giving you Velma, it's giving you stiff wear, you know. I like it. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Deuces.